Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics in place, so start now. On your iPhone, confirm you're signed into iCloud and Find My is enabled. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on for both devices. The watch uses Bluetooth nearby and iCloud otherwise. Put the watch on, wake it, and swipe up to open Control Center. Once there, tap the iPhone icon to ping. Long press that icon to trigger the iPhone flashlight for visual help. This is faster when the device is nearby. Once done with the quick ping, open the Find Devices app on your Apple Watch if available. Select your iPhone from the device list, then tap Play Sound to make it emit a tone, or choose directions to get walking or driving guidance via Maps. This works because the watch queries iCloud and uses Bluetooth when in range. Make sure location services and Share My Location are enabled on the iPhone so the map can show accurate positioning and routing. To finish, if the iPhone shows offline, enable Notify when found in the Find Devices app or log into iCloud. /find to see the last known location and options. You can mark as lost or erase only when necessary. If the watch can't ping the phone, restart both devices, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active, and sign out then back into iCloud if needed. This troubleshooting step often restores the connection without wiping data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.